Well, um, I'm a little bit upset right now. I'm trying to record a video, and my GoPro remote, as far as I knew, was fully charged, and I did not bother to double check it. I charged the battery for the GoPro. I charged the GoPro Session. I charged my GoPro Hero 5. But I knew that this had a full charge, and I didn't care to plug it in or check it. So now it's going to, there's not going to be a second camera. And that really, really, really bothers me. Let's go do this video. What's up, guys? Salvadoran boy here, coming at you with another Friday video. Bum, 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 bum. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are actually doing a route that we got from Becker's. We are actually taking back roads. Not too far from my house, but it has some really nice turns. It is 7:30 right now in the morning, and it's actually very, very cool. It feels really nice. I can tell my bike is riding different. It's liking the cooler weather. Give you guys an update on my grass. So yeah, guys, I've actually taken a lot of you guys' comment on my video trying to get the grass back up and to its good, back to green. And I've been watering it a lot. My bill has gotten up from, I think it was like $60 or $70 to like $150. So I mean, that sucks in that sense, I guess, but the grass is looking better. The grass is looking way better, and I went the other day to Lowe's to get some fertilizer. So me and my son did that.
Special assistance needed at the fashion.
Where are you going? Come back.
We put the fertilizer down and water it. We have been watering it ever since. So I can actually tell some improvement. I don't know if I got the actual the correct fertilizer for my grass. I don't even know what type of grass it is that I have. But anyways, I put down the fertilizer. I don't have any report on how the fertilizer is doing. I hope it works later on. I don't know how long that takes for it to start showing its progress, but yeah, my neighbor, the house next to me was just sold, and my neighbor is really on a mad scramble to get the grass back up and back to green. I think he's been there about a month, and he's already gotten a letter from the HOA that he needs to maintain his grass. So I don't know what that's all about. The HOA just trying to get everybody, but his grass is really dead. And so this is my grass.
and that's the neighbor's grass. My patchy grass, that's growing back, and the neighbor's.
Yeah, the grass is doing good. My kid is doing good. He really enjoys going and doing stuff with me. I can't wait for him to get older and ride with me. I don't know what the age requirement is to ride a motorcycle for a kid, but I guess it'd be a few years. Yeah, other than that, not a really long video today, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. But thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Thank you guys for giving it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already, and don't forget, you guys are awesome. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Later.